Hello friends, I am Dr. Puneet Girdhar. I am the Director and Senior Consultant Spine Surgery at BLK Super Speciality Hospital. Today in this talk I am going to discuss about a very silent disease called osteoporosis. Osteoporosis by definition is a disease where the bones tend to weaken and fracture very easily. This is a disease of the bones where there is a continuous depletion of protein and calcium in the bones and they become very weak as the time goes. Usually it's a aging disorder and postmenopausal women are at the highest risk. Many times it is also seen in relatively younger population due to either excessive consumption of alcohol, smoking, poor diet or sedentary lifestyle. So this is a disorder which is silently creeping under our feet and gradually making our bones weak and spreading like an epidemic. We need to diagnose it early so that we can treat it as soon as possible and prevent it in most of the situations. It entails a bone density test and several blood tests along with a consultation with either your primary physician, an orthopedic or a spine specialist which you can visit. Very often we see the patients land in the emergency with either a spine or a hip fracture, and this happens due to the weak bones because most of the times we see these patients have a very insignificant fall or an injury. So this is very much a preventable disease provided we try to tackle it in time. To avoid such situations, we need to detect it in early and make changes in our diet as well as lifestyle. As a tertiary care center, we understand our responsibility to create awareness in the society for such a preventive illness. In the same context, we are organizing an osteoporosis symposium coming Sunday. All of our physician, endocrinologist, rheumatologist, orthopedic and spine colleagues, where we will have an interactive case-based discussion about the prevalence of the disease, preventive aspect of it, as well as the medical and surgical management of the same illness. We also understand that in due course, these colleagues of ours will reach out their respective societies and make the public aware of this silent epidemic, which is taking the density out of our bones and making them vulnerable to fractures even at the slight fall. So through this symposium, we want more and more people eventually to get benefited so that they can take an early action to prevent osteoporosis afflicting their bones. Thank you very much. For more details, please visit our hospital website blkhospital.com.
BLK Super Speciality Hospital, a passion for healing.